Hey Momoko, tomorrow's the big day. I'm going to miss you, but please be a good girl while I'm gone, okay? July 2nd, the day before my trip. Today, I dropped off my cat Momoko at the pet hotel. We left home around 8 a.m. and drove over with her in her carrier. She looked a little anxious, honestly, but I promised her I'll be back to pick you up soon. So just hang in there, sweetheart. As soon as I got back home, I started packing right away. I was totally exhausted, but the excitement of the trip kept me going. To be honest, I'm a bit of a last minute packer. So yeah, I hadn't done anything until today. Oops. First, I made sure I had the essentials: passport, ID, credit card, and the international driver's license I got from AAA. Those are all safely in my bag. Fast forward to the next morning, July 3rd, 2 a.m. My Uber arrived right on time and I headed out to Cleveland Hopkins Airport. They say to arrive at least 3 hours before your international flight, but just to be extra safe, I got there 4 hours early. Better safe than sorry, right? And guess what I found? These adorable polar bear keychains. Couldn't resist. I ended up buying 6 of them. Yeah, 6. My flight schedule today is a long one. It starts at 7:06 a.m. with a flight to Dallas Fort Worth, then a long haul to Tokyo Haneda, and finally, a domestic flight down to Naha, Okinawa. With layovers and everything, the total travel time is about 23 hours and 19 minutes. Let's just say it's going to be a long day. Hopefully, the next time I wake up, I'll be looking out the window at the skies over Japan. Stay tuned, the Okinawa vlog is coming next.